If panning for gold in the Wild West sounds like a risky venture, then welcome to the 21st century gold rush, the world of cryptocurrency. Now you might be thinking, gold rush? That's so 19th century. But stick with me here, because the parallels are more real than a sourdough's grizzled beard. Just like the gold miners of yesteryear, we're venturing into largely uncharted territory. We're seeking our fortunes, and yes, there's a whole lot of potential to strike it rich, but there's also risk. Stakes are high, the market is volatile, and without the right map, you can find yourself lost in the wilderness quicker than you can say blockchain. The key to success in this new frontier? It's all about strategy. Because let's face it, nobody wants to be the guy who sold his claim right before striking gold. Just like those gold miners, you need the right tools and strategy to strike it big. So buckle up, and let's dive into the world of cryptocurrency analysis. Now think of crypto analysis as a treasure map. It's not about blindly digging, it's about knowing where to look and what to look for. Let's start with the basics. Crypto analysis is a blend of two major disciplines: fundamental analysis and technical analysis. It's like a chef using a recipe. You need both the right ingredients and the right cooking techniques to create a culinary masterpiece. Fundamental analysis is your ingredient list. It's all about understanding the technology behind a cryptocurrency, its use cases, and the team that's driving it. It's like looking at an apple and asking, is this apple ripe? Is it organic or genetically modified? Who grew it? It's about getting to know the core attributes of the crypto asset. Then, there's technical analysis. It's the cooking technique. This involves studying price charts and identifying patterns. It's like observing how your apple pie bakes in the oven, checking if it's browning evenly or if it's rising as it should. It's about understanding the market behavior, the buying and selling pressures, the trends, and the volume. However, remember, just like in cooking, the perfect recipe changes with time and taste. The crypto market is volatile, unpredictable, and influenced by a myriad of factors. So it's crucial to stay updated with market news. Whether it's a major tech upgrade, a regulatory crackdown, or Elon Musk's latest tweet, every piece of news can cause ripples in the crypto ocean. Ultimately, successful crypto analysis is about piecing together this jigsaw puzzle of information. It's about connecting the dots between the fundamental and technical aspects, while keeping an eye on the broader market conditions. It's about not just following the treasure map, but also understanding the terrain, the weather, and the potential pitfalls. Crypto analysis is like solving a puzzle. The more pieces you have, the clearer the picture becomes. So keep digging, my friends, because every piece of information is a potential gold nugget in the crypto gold mine. So you're ready to start digging? Great, here are the steps you need to follow to strike crypto gold. The first step to successful crypto analysis is to build a diverse portfolio. We're not talking about a smorgasbord of every coin that's ever caught your eye, but a balanced blend of different types of cryptocurrencies. Think of it as a crypto cocktail, if you will. Just like a cocktail, your portfolio should have the right mix of elements. Some Bitcoin for stability, a dash of Ethereum for smart contract capabilities, a sprinkle of altcoins for potential high returns, and maybe a slice of stablecoins for good measure. Remember, diversity is the spice of life and of crypto investing. Next, you need to get your hands dirty with some research. And no, browsing the Moonshot subreddit at 2 in the morning doesn't count. You need to dive deep into the project's fundamentals. What problem is the coin trying to solve? Who's on the team? Do they have a solid track record? What about the tokenomics? You know, the nitty-gritty details that ultimately determine a coin's worth. This isn't a game of pin the tail on the donkey, folks. You need to know what you're investing in. But fundamental analysis is just one half of the crypto analysis coin. The other half is technical analysis. This is where you study price charts, identify trends, and make predictions based on historical data. It's kind of like trying to predict the weather, but with a lot more line graphs. And just like the weather, the crypto market can be unpredictable, but with technical analysis, you can at least have an umbrella ready when the storm hits. Patience is the third step. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither are crypto fortunes. It's easy to get caught up in the whirlwind of skyrocketing prices and dream of Lamborghinis. But remember, what goes up must come down. So don't succumb to panic selling when prices drop or FOMO buying when they soar. Keep a cool head and stick to your strategy. Finally, always stay informed. The crypto world moves at warp speed, and yesterday's news is ancient history. So keep your finger on the pulse and stay updated on market trends, news, and developments. Subscribe to reliable crypto news sources, join online communities, and maybe even follow a few crypto gurus on Twitter. But always take what you hear with a grain of salt. After all, not everyone on the internet has your best interests at heart. Remember, in the world of crypto, knowledge is power. The more you know, the better your chances of striking it rich. So there you have it, the keys to the crypto kingdom. It's a wild ride, but with the right tools and strategy, you can hit the jackpot. We've journeyed through the crypto gold rush, delved into the art of crypto analysis, and laid out the steps to a successful crypto analysis. The crypto goldmine awaits, but remember, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a game of patience, strategy, and keen insight. Cryptocurrency offers a world of possibilities. It's the new frontier of investment, a realm where the traditional rules of finance are rewritten every day. But, as with any investment, it carries its share of risks. That's why a solid strategy for crypto analysis is not just helpful, it's essential. The crypto goldmine isn't just about financial rewards, it's about being part of a revolution, a seismic shift in how we understand and use money. If you've enjoyed this journey into the crypto goldmine and want more nuggets of wisdom, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, happy mining.